Right, Guma's player Arvind service 1-8. Service goes to Guma 1-8. Yes. What a game, what a match. First match Rautpur versus Guma. Guma 1 point, Rautpur 8 points. Match is running. What a playing. What a shot. What a shot. Yes. What a playing. Players are playing well. This is first match. Guma plays and Rautpur plays playing as well. One 8. Guma 1 point. Rautpur 8 points. 2-8. Guma service, Arvind. 2-8. Guma points 2 and Rautpur points. Right, service goes to Rautpur. 8-2. 8-2. Match running. What a playing players. Guma players and Rautpur players playing well. Today's match Rautpur versus Guma. Guma versus Rautpur. 8-2. Rautpur points 8. Guma points 2. What a takens, what a shots. Yes. Rautpur ground, Rautpur village. Match Sanjay versus Chito. Rautpur captain Sanjay. Guma's captain Chito. Yes. 8-2. What a match. What a shots. This is a Daba volleyball. Famous game from Varsa. What a technique game. Yes. Players is well playing. All players are superb playing. What a technique. What a plan. What a punches. What a hitting. Super. 8-2. Gumas versus Rautpur. Match is continued. Running. What a shot. What a shots. It's magical shots. What a punch. Right, 9-2. Service goes to Rautpur. Rautpur points 9 and Guma points 2. Match is running. Today's match Rautpur versus Guma. This is first match. Players are playing well. This is challenging game, I think. Interesting game. What a wonder. Superb. What a shot, but 2-9. Service goes to Guma. Guma player. Service 2-9. Wow. 9-2. 9-2. Rautpur points 9. Guma points 2. Service goes to Rautpur. Rautpur captain Sanjay Sabbar. Guma's Chitos. Sanjay versus Chito. First match. Morning match. What a shots. Guma players are Rautpur players. Playing as well. What a takens. Yes. Excellent taken, excellent shot. Right, final ball, game ball. Rautpur game ball. Oh. Win by Rautpur. Rautpur versus Guma match. First match win by Rautpur. Rautpur captain Sanjay Sabbar.